Hello, my name is Florian Turner and I'm a user assistance developer for SAP Cloud ALM. In this video, you will learn how to use integration and exception monitoring for SAP Integration Suite. Before you get started, make sure that either the integration owner or the integration architect role is assigned to you. They are required to work with the application. In addition, it is necessary that the relevant SAP Integration Suite tenant is connected to SAP Cloud ALM. From the SAP Cloud ALM Launchpad, open the Integration and Exception Monitoring app by clicking the corresponding tile. Open the scope selection, select the SAP Integration Suite service and apply the scope. Click the node and you will see a status overview for the selected timeframe about the processed integration flows, as well as deployment errors. Click the category SAP Integration Suite Messages to navigate to the summary view of the processed flows. In the summary table, you will find all processed integration flows with status information per integration flow for your selected timeframe. You can now filter for a specific artifact or status using the filter icon on the top right corner. As soon as you apply the filter, you will see a subset of entries in the table according to your filter. With a click on the total count, you will navigate to the single message view. If you are interested in more details about the error, you can click the More button in the status text column. You can also directly navigate to the message details by clicking the message ID. In the detail view, you see all provided information for a dedicated process flow. In addition, here you see correlated information, for example, field class messages. With a click on each of the boxes, you will see the details. In the center, you see all the related messages to this particular message. In this case, it could be that due to an error, the integration flow was reprocessed several times. In the application data card, you'll find more detailed information about the processed message. With a click on the URL, you will directly transfer context securely to the message processing log on the SAP Cloud Integration tenant. Here, you can do further analysis to find the root cause of the error. With a click on the topology breadcrumb, you will navigate back to the node. By clicking the node, you will see the overview. To view the exceptions, click the bar at the bottom. You will then see the exception distribution. Every time an artifact deployment fails, you will see an exception. If you need more details, you can click the arrow on the right side of the relevant line item. Here you can find detailed information about the exception. The configured alerts related to the SAP Integration Suite will appear on the alerting page. By selecting an alert, you will see more details on the right-hand side. From here, you can perform actions on the alerts. For example, assigning a processor or confirming the alert. If you configure a relevant rule in the Intelligent Event Processing app and add your email address to the Notification Management app, you will get an alert notification as well. Thank you for watching this video. You now know how to use integration and exception monitoring to monitor your SAP Integration Suite. For more information, feel free to consult the SAP Cloud ALM for Operations Expert Portal, which is continuously updated with the latest news. A link to the Expert Portal is provided in the description of this video.